Hello friends, we wish you very warm welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to introduce a dual channel fume extraction system, which is supplied with the fume extraction arms having a diameter of 50 mm, and then the desired length can be chosen to suit your application. So you will get this fume extraction system in the packing you are watching on your screen. Model is Fume Pro 201 and it is supplied with 50 mm diameter extraction arms. Length, as I already told you, can be extended or reduced according to your choice. So let's open the box and see what are the supplies inside this box. As Let's keep aside the extraction arms. Now we are opening this box. This box contains the main extraction unit and other accessories. We will explain these accessories one by one. So it is supplied in secure packing to avoid any damage during transportation. So you will also get an operating manual which contains useful information regarding the operation of this fume extraction system. Along with this, extra pre-filters are supplied which you can change later. A power cord and a connection wire for connecting the remote control is also supplied, and this is a remote control unit and we will explain its functioning later. Now we will take out the main extraction unit. Now we have taken out the main extraction unit. Before operating this unit, we need to take out the uh, foam sheet which is kept beneath the main extraction filter. So we will show you how we can remove that foam sheet. Let's unclamp it and remove the top cover. Take out the entire filter closure. Now you can see that there is a foam sheet which is kept beneath this main extraction filter. The purpose of this sheet is to protect the main extraction filter, HEPA filter, uh, from any damage which can be which can occur during transportation. So we have removed that foam sheet. Now we will explain the features of each and every filter. See, uh, we will remove the gasket first. On top of all the filter, you can see a metal plate. This metal plate is kept on top of the filter to prolong the life of all the filters. Then you can see the pre-filter. This pre-filter is used to absorb large size particles, and then we can see the middle filter. See, this is the middle filter for medium size particles or gaseous substances. Then you can see the HEPA filter. So this is the main HEPA filter, which purifies the air to up to 99.99% efficiency. So these are the filter used in this fume extraction system. Now we will keep back all the filters in the reverse order. HEPA filter, then middle filter, then pre-filter. See, rough side of pre-filter should be on upper side. Then we will place the metal plate. Then the gasket will be affixed. So please make ensure that gasket is properly affixed to this filter enclosure, so that a vacuum cannot be so that the vacuum is not leaked. So this is to ensure. Then we have just kept inside the entire filter closure inside the main unit. Now we will place the top cover, and then we will fix all the four clamps. So this remote control unit is used to switch on and off the unit, and it is also used to control the airflow, and we can increase or decrease the airflow with the help of this remote control unit. It is connected here on the side of this main unit. Then we will connect the main AC power cord. See, on one side it is connected to the AC power socket, and on the other side it is connected to the main AC power source. So it is operated on 230 volt AC power source, 50 hertz frequency, is suitable for Indian electrical standard conditions. Now we will just fix the two extraction arms. So as I already told you that the length of extraction arms can be increased or decreased depending upon your application. And these extraction arms are flexible and can be focused at the desired location, and it will retain its shape when it is bent or moved in the desired location. You can see one knob is also provided on these extraction arms. It is used to switch on and off the individual extraction arm. As you can watch on your screen, but by rotating this knob we can switch off one extraction arm if required, and if both the extraction arms are required, then the airflow controller should be on. So by rotating this knob you can choose either one or two extraction arms depending upon your application. Now we will this burn proof silicon rubber hoods are also provided. These are burn proof, and it can cover a larger area. So these burn proof extraction cords are also ESD safe. Now the entire setup is ready to use. We have connected the AC power cord. Now we will switch on the unit, and you can see that there will be display will be switched on, and by increasing or decreasing this knob you can increase or decrease the airflow. So it controls the flow of turbine which is kept inside this extraction unit. So you can see that by rotating the knob clockwise or anti-clockwise we can increase or decrease the airflow. This there is a on-off switch provided on this remote control unit. By switching it off we can just switch off the main unit also, and by switching it on, that the main extraction unit will be functional. So this fume extraction unit can be also controlled by removing this remote control unit, and there are push buttons provided on the front panel, and by pressing this push button, these are up or down button, by pressing these buttons you can set the desired extraction level. Maximum rate is 10 and minimum is 1. So if we want to operate this unit directly without the remote control unit, we can do that. And now this unit is working and the suction is on. Now we will show you how powerful suction is there on this extraction unit. We have taken a foam sheet which we will keep on the extraction hood. We can see that the suction is active and it is holding this foam sheet, and it is not allowing it to drop. So it means the very powerful suction is there, so which is retaining this foam sheet, and it is not allowing it to drop. So it's a very effective equipment for absorbing the noxious and dangerous fumes generated during the soldering process. So it is also recommended to use if you want to meet the ISO standards for environment. So we will welcome your inquiry for this fume extraction system, and if you are interested to buy, you are welcome to send an inquiry to us. We will immediately respond to your inquiry with the necessary details and the price also. We hope you have liked this video and have watched this video till the very end. We hope you will enjoy your day. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.